Welcome students, my name is Manoj Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor in College of Engineering, Fulton in Mechanical Department. Today we are conducting a practical to determine heat transfer coefficient in natural convection. So what is natural convection? Natural convection is a process of heat transfer due to fluid particle motion by density differences associated with their temperature differences in the fluids. So this is our actual experimental setup for natural convection. So as you can see, there is a cabinet in which a brass cylinder located, and there are 7 thermocouple attached on the surface of the this brass cylinder. And here is the instrument cluster in which we get the reading for current. This is temperature indicator, and this is voltmeter indicator, and this is dimmer set. So first we switch on the main switch on, and we calculate the natural convection. So before we start our experiment, to regulate cut wire. In this way, we get the reading of different thermocouple. So before going to take reading, we left this experiment for half an hour to stabilize the reading of all thermocouples, and after that we calculate the heat transfer coefficient. Observation: voltage 120 and current 0.89 ampere. And these are our temperature T1, T2, T3 and T7. So in this way, T8 temperature, which is duct temperature, plus 273 and 307 Kelvin, which is we called as TA. So power input to the heater calculated by voltage into current, which is 106.8 watt, and surface mean temperature of the cylinder Ts we calculated as T1, T2, T7 divided by 7 and plus 273, and this is our Ts 421 Kelvin, and surface area of the cylinder pi dl, which we calculate 0.064 meter square. Now we calculate heat lost by radiation QR is equal to sigma As emissivity Ts surface temperature power 4 minus Ta to raised to power 4. So sigma is the Boltzmann constant, which we take the values as we shown here, and emissivity of the cylinder material. So from calculation we get the QR 3.266 watt, and now we calculate average heat transfer coefficient. From this formula we put all these values and we get average heat transfer coefficient is 14.9 watt per meter Kelvin. So today we conducted the practical to determine heat transfer coefficient in natural convection, and